Just a quick update of what we have from a weekly and daily perspective on a Euro CHF from our last analysis. Now, from a weekly perspective on Euro CHF, if you remember, we had this beautiful overextended information to the downside. And what did we expect? We expected the market to start a push to the upside, possibly for a deeper retracement. Now, from a daily perspective, what did we have on a Euro CHF? Clearly, we had this W formation. And what did we say after the market was here? And what did we say? We said we want to see first the market to drop down to the completion zone of the W formation, go and hit the structure. And then from here, we want to see the next start to the upside to basically start. And in fact, that is exactly what the market has done. Soon after the analysis, the drop started to start a little bit quicker than what we actually expected, but definitely came exactly to test the structure, and then the next push to the upside started. Now, at the moment, if you're not already in the trade from here, where can you be looking for a possible setup on Euro CHF? Now, if you're already in the trade from here, perfect. You are risk-free on the trade. If the market will now drop back down, it will be a break-even trade, absolutely no problem. But if you're not in the trade, well, there are two possible options to be looking for a trading opportunity. Now, if the market, there are two options, obviously. Now, if the market will make a retracement, nice slow retracement back to retest this structure, the first trade will be exited at break-even for you if you're already in it. And then what we will be doing. With students, we will be monitoring price action on the 4-hour time frame inside of this area, waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a very good risk to reward and good probabilities for a nice push to the upside. On the other side, clearly, we know that the market is basically creating structure here. And if today, for example, it will close red, but the day after the market will create a beautiful impulse to the upside, then that will be perfect. Why? Because we have new structure here. So if the market will then make a retracement back to the structure, what we will be doing? We will be monitoring price action on the 4-hour inside of this area for the possible continuation to the upside. And if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries inside of this area, then we will be taking a nice long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities for a nice push to the upside. Now, obviously, the second scenario, even if basically it implies a break even on this first trade, is actually better because you would be looking for an entry at the lowest possible level from a structural perspective. Therefore, it would give you a way better risk to reward to the upside. And as you know, trading is all about probabilities and risk to reward. Therefore, this one definitely looks like the most appealing opportunity. But as usual, we have to be reactive and not predictive. These are the two possible scenarios at the moment that have the best probabilities. So we have to be following and basically flowing with what the market will show us. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. And I will see you in the next video.